All right, guys, we got a 2019 Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI. What is it?
HEMI.
HEMI, babe. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Wise into a single there. Factory resonator there. We did a mid muffler delete, as you guys can see right there. Then left the stock tailpipes. He didn't want it too loud, so we left them also the stock resonators there and there. But we had to put our signature 5-inch tips on it to complete the look of it. As you guys can see right there, it came out absolutely beautiful. Right there. And there. Look at that. It just fits it a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. So, hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Oh, much better. Whoa. That Ram is breathing, baby. I like the setup. That sounds clean. Sounds like a mean freaking lion. Sounds like a lion roaring, baby. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. 105. That sounds sexy. His chest throbbing like deep. Try to block the wind. Got a nice set of wheels on it too. I really like this sound. Let you guys hear on the inside.